I am Jacob Magallanes Serrato to present the tool that we made together with my group mates from 2BSIEC. Now, to start off, we import JSON OS and OS task file. Now, for the function to load the task from a file, load task, dun, 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 dun. Ensure all tasks have end time. So we will explain this later. So now the function to save task to a file, then next is helper function to calculate the time. So basically this uh this converts the time that user the user input the user input. The next function to add a task. So basically this we have made the tool uh time management planner, and we made four functions. First is the add a task. Basically, it adds the task that you want to do. So now, if you press the add a task, it will show it will prompt the user to input the start time or I no. First is it will prompt the user to input the task. The next is the start time of the task. The next is the time time needed for the task, and it will indicate the end time, the start time, and the time needed in minutes in hours with minutes. The next is the view task function. So for the view task function, we use the if else. For the ano, we use the if else as well. Then for the view task function, we use the for loop also as well. For the view task, it will indicate the sorted task in ascending order based on time. Then next is uh, the function to delete a task. In function to delete a task, we also use the if else. Then if the eh, basically the function to delete a task, it deletes the task you want to. The next is main function to run the planner. This is the main menu of the tool that we made, the time management planner. So basically, this is the first show up if we run the code. So first is the add task. The it will indicate the four function that we made: add task, view task, delete task, and exit. So if the input, it will prompt the user to choose an option to 1 to 4. Basically, if the user chooses the one, it will print out the add task. The next is 2 is view task, 3 is delete task, and 4 is exit. And it will print out the exiting the planner and goodbye. And it will stop the code or the program. Now let's try this code. Let's run this. Yeah. So it indicates the time management planner. I want add task, view task, delete task, and for exit. Choose an option 1 to 4. So let's choose the view task first. So in the view task, I added three tasks. But before that, let's delete them first. So let's delete the tasks. So three delete task. So let's choose one, one. Because if we delete the one, it will reset the numbering. It will become 1, 2. Then next, if we delete the 1, it will become 1. So let's do this. Enter the last number to delete 1. The next is 3. Delete again. Then it will indicate 1, 2. Then let's delete again 1. Then it will indicate the again. Then let's delete again. Then it's only one task. If we delete it again, then let's view the task. it will indicate no task found. And if we delete the task, there will be no task found. So there should be no uh, task to be deleted. And if we indicate any number, it will go back to the menu button. So now let's add the task again. So let's add morning jog. Start time 24-hour format, meaning it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. So now let's add 6 o'clock in the morning. And the time needed for the jogging is 1 hour. Then it will indicate the task morning jog added with start time 6 o'clock, end time 7 o'clock, and duration 1 hours. So now if we view the task, it will indicate that your task ordered by the start time, morning jog start, end time 6, 7, duration 1 hours, and group task by time intervals is 6 to 7 morning jog. So now let's add another task. Um, Afternoon exercise. So 24-hour format. So let's do this by 16 o'clock or 4 o'clock p.m. Now, hours needed is 1 hour. I know, 2 hours. Now, the task afternoon exercise added with the start time 16 o'clock, end time 18 o'clock, and duration 2 hours. Now, let's view the task. We will have this. It's now ascended in time order. Afternoon exercise is 1, morning jog, but in the group task by time intervals, it is uh, ascended by the time order. The morning jog is the first, then 16 o'clock is the afternoon exercise. Then, again, to prove it, let's add another task that will be on the first one before this. Let's add task. Uh, Reading time. Reading time. Let's do this by 5 o'clock p.m. And the hours needed is, let's say, um, mm, 1.5. Now, 1.5 hours, it will end time 6:30. 1.5 is one and a half, meaning, uh, 1.5 meaning is, it will indicate only 30 minutes. Okay? So now, mm, let's view the task. It will indicate group task by time intervals. So we did that. It indicates well. So 5, 6, then 7, then 16. Now to delete the task again, let's delete the task. 1, delete the task, 2, delete the task, and 1. Then if we delete the task again, no task found. So we can choose any selection, then it will go to the time management. So now do view the task, no task found. So now let's exit since we have made it. Let's exit, exiting the planner goodbye, and it will now end the code. That's all. Thank you.